Hello everyone, my name is Shrey and this is Tejas Ladani and we have built FFIT. FFIT is a simple financial tool that can help you with your finances. So what is the problem here? Everything seems to be very much stressful and chaotic about finances. Hence, we have created FFIT to make it easier and more accessible. So how does FFIT do that? So FFIT is a web application that can help you split your income into predefined ratios so that you can invest, save and spend your money. So what are the features of FFIT? FFIT is FFIT has the feature of breakup where your income is being split into investment, emergency funds or expenses. Here we have a feature of financial news as well, where you can see the latest financial news so you can plan your investments accordingly. And also we have a feature for market where you can watch the stock which you want to track and also see the monthly or daily graph for your stock. So what's the tech stack for our web application? We have created the web application using React.js and the backend is using JavaScript. The database that we have preferred to use is Firebase. Let me show you a demo of FFIT here. So this is the landing page of our web application. Here you can sign in using your Google ID. Let me select one ID here. Once you have been logged in, you will be redirected to the balance page where you can enter a balance here. See, here is a ratio which in which your income, this balance is being divided into. Let me show you. So your to create a budget or a monthly budget here, you 50% of your money is being allocated for needs or expenses. 30% of your money is being allocated for your savings and 20% of that money is being allocated for emergencies. This budgeting method using ratios is being proven to be very much useful and many people use it every day. And what's the potential market or users that would be using this app? This would be targeted for youth. But let's get to the demo here. Here I am selecting a 50-30-20 ratio. Let me submit my data. Now it's being saved into the database. Now here 3000 is the amount that is being allocated for the balance, where you can add a title for your saving and what type of saving you have and the return of investment on that saving. It will be added here like this. There's a expense where you can there's the amount of expense that is allocated for your expenditure. Here you can add expense of your choice. Let me add one. This would be added to your list here now, and the total amount is here. Now in the emergency section you can plan your emergencies or emergency funds where you can where it would be liquefied immediately. In the home application home dashboard where you can see all the details necessary to see. Here there are six saving funds that you have created, two emergency funds and two expenses that are there. Also, here's the stat report, and there are graphs of that back the data that you have entered. So it it is very easy for a user to track their finances here. In the news section, you would be able to see the latest news from in the world of finance, so that you can plan your finances accordingly. In the market section, you can search for a stock. Let me search for the IBM stock here. This is the graph for IBM stock, and this is a daily graph. You can see the data for from 4 months back up to the point the company applied for their IPO. See, so that's FFIT and all its features in its entirety. You can sign out as well. Thank you.